Good morning. Starting the video a little bit late today. It's 10:45. I was up early for a gym session. And then I went back to the hotel to chill out and got some breakfast. But we're out and about now. We're in the Saigon Centre. Having a look. Kira's gone into Uniqlo to get a few bits. But today I think we're just going to have a walk around, try some local food and some of the coffees. So we'll have a look. No lean? Yeah. All good? Or do you get in trouble? Alright. So we're here at Mr. Ho Chi Minh statue. Old city named after this fella. So here's something to do with communists. Something to do with the war. Yeah, what a spot. Feels so much hotter today. It's only 30 degrees, but there's no smog in the air. I think that's why the sun is just beaming down. 30 degrees UV7. Feels every bit of it. But look, it's nice. They changed it up from the shit Melbourne weather. I was just saying to Kira how rich this place looks and developed. Like this street and where Mr. Ho Chi Minh was, how developed and clean it looks towards some other streets like 2 blocks over. We're walking to Book Street now, so I'll get some clips of the rundown streets just for comparison. But it's crazy how in the space of like 200 meters a city can change. This is the comparison, I mean, going from like really rich and developed to just like poor, strung together. So this is Book Street. We just had a coffee in one of the cafes at the end of the road. It was alright. I think it was more of like a westernized coconut latte. Not the coconut coffee I was looking for that they serve here in Vietnam, but look, we'll find it. We're heading a bit out now. There's like a sports shop I want to go to that has like retro football jerseys, so we're going to check that out. And then we're going to go for a bit of lunch. Some famous banh mi place that's all over TikTok and Instagram reels that we're going to try. So yeah, check back in when we get that. Loads of waste. Some really good jerseys in there, but then some really, really bad fakes. Picked up a United jersey, 94, I think it was, 1994. Had the wrong crest on. Said it all. But yeah, got nothing. So we're on the way to get some banh mi's now. Alright, let's see what Instagram and TikTok are saying about this. It's good. Oh, the pate is a bit of spice in it. Oh, it's huge. A bit different from the one I got the other day. It's good. Oh, we got a Vietnamese egg coffee. Not how I was expecting it to come out. I've seen the videos, they don't come out like this. Just pour coffee. You just pour it out and enjoy it. It's pretty thick. Look at that cream. That's actually cool. That's nice. Actually, it's just like thick cream. You don't even taste the coffee. Yeah, it's like a dessert. That's not like the one I had the other day. Alright, this place is called Tonkin Egg Coffee Cafe. It's right across the road from that famous banh mi place. We've seen a sign that they allow for them banh mis to be brought in if you buy coffee, which is fair because I wanted to try an egg coffee anyway. I had one the first day we landed in that cafe building. It didn't seem right. It didn't look like the ones I've been seeing online. But this one looked like exactly what I've been seeing for a few weeks online. And the way it was presented looked fairly traditional, so yeah, it was good. I liked it. More of a dessert than a coffee though. I'd imagine the espresso shop would have a lot of caffeine because it's Robusta. But it wouldn't be a type of coffee I'd have first thing in the morning. After a quick break in the hotel, after the heat, we came back out to the apartment cafe and we're trying a salt coffee for the first time. Oh, just like Did you get the salt? Oh, okay. Well, look, we'll try it. Maybe I'll mix in a bit. Okay, a bit of coffee and the cream. That's actually so salty. That's like swallowing beach water. I'll try it now. Try it.
It's like very salty for others.
Yeah? Alright, let me try it and it's all stirred up. It's more so just that cream. So I licked it off my lips, that's when I tasted it. But it's not bad. It's better when it's mixed up. It's a bit bigger than the egg coffee we got earlier though. So as an Irishman abroad, I have the legal obligation to try every Irish bar I can find in every city. Here we are. O'Brien's Irish Bar. For an Irish bar that advertises Guinness, there is no Guinness. So Saigon has to do Strongbow. That looks like a whiskey glass. It actually looks like whiskey. Anyway. Well, that was disappointing. Expecting a Guinness, but anyway. Not much of an Irish bar. This is cool. We have to find it like a chocolate shop. We got like 10 different flavors from 100% dark chocolate. It's like different ones. That's cool, something different. See, that's the place.
What?
Cool. Locally made chocolate. So much for a Guinness tonight. We wanted to go to that one, but it's closed. Definitely not serving a Guinness. Oh yeah. Thank you. Alright, so this is grilled banana sweet with coconut milk. So our tour guide yesterday was actually telling me about a dessert like this. We just happened to walk by that stand. So we'll give it a shot. It's actually alright. That's good. For 30,000, which is 30,000. Fucking like a dollar. That's a big bike for here. Sweet. His friends left him on the bike. Two other dogs are on the bike and they're like way at the left and he hasn't stopped barking and howling. Poor little fucker. Back again. We had this place last night and it was good, so we're back. Hey mate, how are you? Two nights in a row we ended up back here. We walked in here last night by mistake and then every video we watched since is recommending this place for the fall. And we just stay around the corner, so it's handy. Cheap, cheerful and delicious. All done. Absolutely wrecked tired now, so time for bed. Catch us in the next one.